How to update iOS 26.3.1 on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, you need to head over to General. Inside General, move into Software Update. Now wait for a while for it to load as it is checking for updates. You can see that the updates is available. But if you really want to update, you must have 17.55 GB available on your storage during the installation. Right now you cannot update it because the storage is not enough. So you have to clear the storage and make 17 GB available. And then only you will be able to see the option of update. After that, click on update and your software will be updated. And then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.